Welcome to the channel. This channel reviews all brands. Let's take a look at today's car. The Volkswagen Tayron 2025 is a mid to large family SUV positioned between the Tiguan and the Touareg in VW's lineup, now launched globally, including Europe, Australia and soon other markets. It replaces the older Tiguan Allspace and offers 5, or optional 7-seat configurations, making it a versatile choice for families and long trips. The Tayron has grown in size with a longer wheelbase, 2.79 m, and overall length, 4.77 m, increasing passenger space and cargo capacity up to 2,090 L with rear seats folded. The new Tayron lineup includes multiple powertrain options, a 1.5 L TSI mild hybrid, 150 HP, plug-in hybrid eHybrid versions, 204 HP and 272 HP. With over 100 kilometers, almost equals 62 miles, of electric-only range. And 2.0 L TSI petrol engines, 204 HP and 261 HP, with 4-motion AWD for stronger performance. A diesel option is also available in some markets. Advanced driver assistance includes adaptive cruise control, lane assist and park assist, while comfort features range from digital cockpit displays to premium infotainment and safety tech. Pricing in regions like Australia ranges from around 48,290 Australian dollars, $32,000 USD, for base trims to around 73,490 Australian dollars, $49,000 USD, for top R-line versions, with variations globally. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. We post car reviews every single day.